Right, folks, I just want to give you a quick unboxing of the DJI Neo. It weighs about 135 grams, and in most places you should be able to fly it without needing to get a license. So probably a couple of little tests online, and then you can fly this without a license. It has a sensor at the bottom. Those two little things are sensors. So for landing, that will help it land. It gauges when it's coming in. It's also got like little propeller protectors, propeller guards. Now these can clip off. Well, the top section can, and when you clip them off, it will make the drone a little bit lighter, so you may gain a few extra seconds in flight. But other than that, yeah, I'll be leaving it on. So, moving on. This little, what do you call it, a camera protector. I have never liked this on these drones. Throughout my history with DJI drones, it wasn't the first drone that I got, but the Mini 2, yeah, I damaged the gimbal by trying to put these fiddly things on. So people, if you do get this drone, or any of the DJI's line of drones, please be careful when you're putting that little gimbal guard or camera protector on. Yes, at the back, you can see there's a little USB-C slot, so you can charge the battery or update your drone if needed, which it will be needed. In here, you'll find your little spare propellers. So it comes with 2 spare propellers in case you have a small accident. And here we have the USB-C cable. So that's how you would charge it. Just plug it into the wall. And a Phillips screwdriver for any minor repairs. Right, and there's the 2 propellers that you get, or that comes in the package. Right, now the paperwork that comes in the package. Right, that little thing here, that connects you to the app. You scan that and you go through to the app store, and yeah, you'll be able to do that. Drone information notice. A quick start guide. You might need that if you're unfamiliar with the drone. And safety guidelines. If you're unfamiliar with drones, definitely read that. And join flight safety rules. Oh, Japan, I thought it said join. Wow. But this is what I like. This is what I always dreamed of. This is what it's all about. Stickers! Oops. Damn. Okay, yeah. These are the stickers that you get with it. Well, I think they're stickers. They look like stickers, so I'm going to call them stickers. They should be stickers. They're stickers. Well, that's about it. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I should be probably uploading one with me having a little flight test. So look out for that.